Hey everybody, it's Nazara with the Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I want to do the giveaway for day 11. So this is kind of a unboxing as well. So this is first time ordering from Knit Picks, but they had a ball winder. And you're going to put it together with me. So let's see. So it's plastic. I do have an affiliate link. This is not sponsored. It's not technically affiliated, but I do have an affiliate link to Knit Picks. So if you happen to want this, it's down in the description below. Just scroll down quite a bit. Let's see. Directions for use. Mount the ball winder on the edge of a counter or table with a clamp. Unwind your skein. Alright, that's not telling me how to put this thing together. Y'all know how to do this? Let's see. I believe this is the clamp. And this must go on here. Hold on, y'all. Okay, the wing nuts to tighten the actual clamp. I'm going to show you guys how to work this so that you guys can do it too. Yeah! So this is the part that actually goes into... Let's see if I can get this for you guys to show you. So there's this... dropping stuff. Okay, so there's this L-shaped clamp. You're going to put it... That's the way the bottom looks. And this hole down here, you're going to move that out of the way, and then you're going to put this little thing back into the L-shaped clamp where it was. Come on. And it's not as easy as it looks, folks. Feel like a mom where I need 3 hands. Come on, peeps. There we go. Getting it started is the hard part. Everything else is great. Alright, tighten it as much as you can, and now that's in there. It does wobble a little back and forth, but that's okay. So this is how it should look. You should have this part inserted. This will be free of the actual winder. And the wing nut below it. Hi, baby. What? So this is the only corner it's going to fit on for me. Can't be too wide. Can't be too thin either. There we go. Finally found a... Nope, it's not going to work because I can't. Let me move it over. Make sure the handle's clear. You'd think that'd be a given, but not in my case. I hear you. So swing the metal arm out from the base. Make sure it snaps into place with the notch on the opposite side. How to nurse yarn through the metal guide loop. To the center column of the ball by pulling the yarn down into the notches on the top. Okay, so it did bake a really nice little cake. Sorry, my battery died. I had to wind it because it got too big. So this is more for like, hey, little cakes. So you can also pull it out the middle. So that's really nice. Yes, sir. All right. So I did order 2. of the ball winders. So this is for, yes sir, day 11. So it is internationally open. If you end up being the winner and you're international, then you are responsible for any duties or fees for it to come into your country. Also, you have to be a subscriber of my channel. You'll have to, oh goodness, like this video and leave a comment below. Let's see what the comment's gonna be. Where'd my phone go? Of course. What? Sneak peek of the baby? I don't know what you're talking about. Here's a funny one, kind of go with the yarn ball. So, do you sneak yarn into your home? I asked the other day about if you how much yarn you had in your stash. Do you have to sneak it into your house? I don't, because my crochet business through Etsy kind of pays for the yarn itself, so all my yarn is business yarn. So all of mine is for either promotional giveaways or for actual projects, so I don't have to sneak it in anymore. He still bothers me about it. My husband, he still asks me about it. He's like, you bought more yarn? It's like, yeah, I needed it for a project, duh. But he'll be okay. He'll be okay. If I can't sneak yarn in, he can't sneak any more cars in my yard. So, or car parts. So, I hope y'all are having a good day. Good luck. This is a 24-hour giveaway. It's going to be open December 11th, 2021 at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and will end December 12th, 2021, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, see you later. Bye.